Hello, welcome again to this daily dose of mathematics. So today we are going to continue this lecture 3 of trigonometry. In the previous classes, what we have studied all this trigonometry formula and identities. So in this class, we are going to look after some other formula. That is this one. You can see sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. How to prove this sec square theta is equal to tan square theta is equal to 1? Sec theta means b by h because sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Okay, so what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but b by h. So 1 by b by h, it means a 1 by b by h voltage was h by b is going to be. Okay, then you make sec square theta, that is going to be h square by b square. Okay, this is going to be h square by b square. So एटार जे सेक्स स्क्वायर थीटा अच्छी से सेक्स स्क्वायर थीटा बदल रे एच स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर को आम रिप्लेस करदेला से पर tan स्क्वायर थीटा मीन्स व्हाट tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू p by b. सो tan स्क्वायर थीटा मीन्स p by b रो होल स्क्वायर दैट इज इक्वल टू p स्क्वायर बाय b स्क्वायर. सो एटी सेक्स स्क्वायर थीटा बदल आम एच स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर रिप्लेस कले और tan स्क्वायर बदल रे आम p स्क्वायर बाय बी स्क्वायर रिप्लेस कले. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला. तापर एलसीएम बाहरला b स्क्वायर एलसीएम b स्क्वायर बाहरला तापर एलसीएम b स्क्वायर बाहरले एटी h स्क्वायर माइनस p स्क्वायर then b square equal अच्छी से h square minus b square. So h square minus b square कले. But we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. गोटे right angle triangle रो गोटे जो right angle triangle अच्छी गोटे right angle triangle अच्छी जो इटा h इटा p इटा b अच्छी then h square will be this h square will be is equal to p square plus b square. So from this formula you can see this formula. From this formula we can derive what is b square. A p square को जो right hand side ने भी h square minus p square is going to be then it is going to be b square. So instead of h square minus p square एटी जो अच्छी h square minus p square ता बदल मु b square replace कर ली b square replace कले b square by b square हला तो b square by b square is equal to nothing but 1. Okay, so we are done with that formula. So this is the original formula sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from this formula we can derive many other formula like sec square theta is equal to, if you will bring this tan square theta to right hand side, it is going to be 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so what is sec theta? Make square root both side. Okay, so sec square theta dita achi, so dita sec square theta ru gote nele, so sec theta is equal to square root over 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is one formula you remember. And next sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. But if I am going to fix this sec square theta in one side and this bring this 1 to the left hand side, so जितने आम राइट हैंड साइड थीटा पॉजिटिव थीटा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड नेगेटिव 1 है दैट इज इक्वल टू tan स्क्वायर थीटा. ओके, देन sec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1 रो स्क्वायर रूट बोथ साइड कले स्क्वायर रूट कले कटि गला tan स्क्वायर tan इज इक्वल टू sec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 1. दिस इज वन अदर फॉर्मूला. ओके, next you can see cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to nothing but 1 by sin theta. Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 1 by p by h. So h to ऊपर पड़ा सला तो h by p है. Then cosec square theta जो square कलर square है गला now h by p whole square that is equal to h square by p square. Okay, we are done. Then cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta 1 by p by b that is equal to b by p. Okay, now what is cot square theta? Cot square theta is equal to b by p whole square is equal to b square by p square. So cot square theta is equal to b square by p square. Now you replace cosec square theta. You can see here what is cosec square theta, h square by p square. So h square by p square हमें replace कले से पर cot square theta बदल रहा है हमें कहते b square by p square replace कले. Now you find out the LCM. LCM will be this is p square. Okay, this p square then h square minus p square. Again use this what Pythagorean theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. तो से हमें h square minus जेहेतु हमको h square minus b square दरकार तो h square minus b square is equal to p square. So p square by p square is equal to कटले 1 आसला. तो now you can see this formula cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So you put this cosec square theta into fixed side and cot square theta bring it to the right hand side. So एपट minus थिला एपट आसले प्लस हैला हैला. Then cosec theta square root कले 1 plus cot square theta रो square root. This is the formula. Okay, then cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. Now cosec square theta minus 1 रो square root is equal to cot square theta. You need to find out by your own. Okay, next you can see these quadrants here. This is the first quadrant. Up to this is the first quadrant. Okay, now this will be the second quadrant from 90 to 180 degree. Now This will be the third quadrant from 180 to 270 degree. Then this will be the fourth quadrant from 270 degree to what 360 degree but 2 pi. So we know that this is going to pi by 2 because 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 and pi radian is equal to 180 and this is 3 pi by 2 and this is 2 pi by 360 degree. Okay, now what is a 45 degree? How to convert that into 45 degree? We know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. So pi by 180 degree is equal to 1 degree. Okay, now if it is 45 degree, then pi by 180 into 45 that is equal to be pi by 4 as so pi by 4. That's why 45 degree is nothing but pi by 4. Okay, similarly we can go for 60 degree. What is the 60 degree? 60 degree means nothing but 180 by 3. But what is 180? This is equal to pi by 3. That's why. Okay, so 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3. That's why. Next what? Next 45 gala, 360 gala, sorry 60 degree gala, then 30 degree. 30 degree means what? 180 ro kete bhag 6 bhag ru bhage. So pi 180 degree means pi radian, pi by 6. That's why. Okay, so 30 degree means 1 pi by 6. Similarly 145. What is 145? 145 means 3 into 45. Okay, 3 into 45 equal to 135 degree. 135. So what is 3 into pi by 4? Pi 45 degree means pi by 4. That's why 135 degree will be equal to 3 pi by 4. Okay, now we are done with this one. Next 120 degree. What is 120 degree? 2 into 60 degree. What is 60 degree? 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3. That's why it is going to be 2 pi by 3. Okay, in the first quadrant all the trigonometry angles are positive. Sorry, trigonometry signs are positive. Similar like sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive, tan theta is positive. Okay, similarly cot theta is positive, cosec will be positive. Whatever angle from in the first quadrant. What is the first quadrant? First quadrant means this theta must be lying between what? 0 to how much? 90 degree. 90 degree means pi by 2. Okay, in this all the trigonometry identities are positive in the first quadrant. What is the second quadrant? Second quadrant means this theta will be lying in between pi by 2 to pi. Okay, in this quadrant means the second quadrant. In the second quadrant only sine is positive and cosec is positive, because what is cosec? Cosec is nothing but 1 by sine theta. Okay, and apart from this all the identities are negative, like tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta, all are positive, negative. Next comes to this third quadrant. Third quadrant means it is when our theta will be in between what? Pi to 3 pi by 2. Okay, যেতବେଳେ আমরা theta angle টা pi to 3 pi by 2 সেতବେଳେ only tan is positive. If tan is positive then cot will be positive. Okay, similarly goes to the right hand side, sorry fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant when our theta will be in between how much? 3 pi by 2 means this is going to this is going to 270 to 2 pi. In between only cos is positive, cos theta will be positive and sec theta will be positive because sec is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, now we are done with this one. Next we can see this is the quadrants. Okay, this is the 60 degree. See, this is the original, you can see, and this will be 60, sorry 30, 60, 120, 150, and this will be the 45. So it is going to be how much? 30 so 135 degree. Similarly the entire 360 degree is divided into many segments like 30, 45, 90. 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree, 135, 150. This will be 150, this will be 120, this will be no, this is 135, this will be 150, this will be 120, and this is what? 60, this is 45, and this will be 30 degree, and this will be 330, and this will be how much? 315, this will be 300, and this will be 270, and this will be 270 means 2 this will be 270 means this will be 240, this is 225, and this will be 210, 180. Okay, like that. So now we know that what is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is all this angle we know now. Okay, Next we can go for what is sin theta, sin 60, sin 30, cos 60, cos 30, everything. But see, this is a triangle, you know, this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is 60 degree. If this is 60 degree, for this 60 degree, this is a P and this is a H and this is a B. But for this 30 degree, it will change. For this 30 degree, it is going to be P, it is going to be B, it is going to be H. Because এই যে एंगल को लागे कि जो बाहु थिबो दैट इज कॉल्ड भूमि बा बेस बोली कहती. सो जो फॉर 60 डिग्री दिस इज द बेस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज sin theta? Sin theta is equal to P by H. Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to P by H. So P by H, and we have shown here it is root 3, this 2, it is 1. Okay, so what is P by H? P is equal to root 3 by H is equal to 1. So sorry 2. So sin 60 will be root 3 by 2. You remember this? You remember this formula. Okay, now what is sin 30? Sin 30 means, you see here this is a 30 degree. So for this 30 degree, this will be the height, so P, and this will be the base. But here it is root 3 base and height is P, sorry 1. So what is sin 30? Sin 30 will be P by H. But what is P here? 1, and what is H is 2, so 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. Okay, similarly you can find for cos 30, cos 30, and cos 60. Okay, now you see one remarkable thing here. Cos sin 30 is 1 by 2, but cos 30 means, sorry, cos 60 means, so this, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to B by H. What is B? B is equal to what? This one. Okay, this is equal to 2, sorry, cos, what is cos 60? Cos 60 will be 1 by 2. You can see one remarkable thing. What is sin 60? Sin 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So we can write cos 60 will be equal to sin 30. But we can write this one also. Cos 60 means 90 minus 30 is equal to sin 30. So you can see here cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, minus sin 30 degree. Okay, this is 30 degree. So we can derive many formula like this. So here this is the formula you need to remember. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Like that, all this formula that I have given you. Okay, so you need to remember all this formula. Similarly, you can see here what is sin 30 value, sin cos 30 value, tan 30 value, all the 30 degree value I have given. Okay, now you go for 45. Now you go for this one. So you remember one thing. What is sin 0? Sin 0 is nothing. What is 0? Sin 90 is equal to 1. You remember this one. So similarly, cos 0 will be always 1, and cos pi will be always minus 1, and cos pi by 2 means 90 will be always 0, because the graph कहीं ना प्रत्येक ये ग्राफ अच्छी. तो cos x रो ग्राफ देखो ये ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଟାଣିବି. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି sin x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ କେମିତି? sin x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ସବୁବେଳେ ଏମିତି ଆସିବ ହେଲା, ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି sin x ଭାଗ. ବଟ୍ cos x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ କେମିତି ଆସିବ? cos x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ଏମିତି ଆସିବ ହେଲା, ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି cos x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ଏମିତି ଆସିବ. cos x ଗ୍ରାଫ୍, ତ cos x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ଦେଖିଲ, sin x ର ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ ଦେଖିଲ. ସୋ ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ଥିଙ୍ଗ. ଯେତେବେଳେ आमर आइसोसेल ट्रायंगल, आइसोसेल राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ता माने ए बाहु समान, ता माने एक कोण समान हेबो ऑपोजिट एंगल. सो एटा 45, सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी 90 डिग्री. सो फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, हाइट आल्सो 1, बेस आल्सो 1, बट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी √2 according to the Pythagorean theorem. Now you can find what is sin 45. Sin 45 is nothing but this P by H. But is what is P? 1, H is √2, so it is equal to 1 by √2. So cos 45 is also 1 by √2, and tan 45 is equal to 1. Okay, now these are the formula that you need to remember. Okay, but here what is sin 90 plus theta? Sin 90 plus theta means this will be in this quadrant, because this is 90 and 90 plus theta means here in this quadrant. Okay, so in this quadrant all signs are positive, so sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. But cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus, कहीं ना ये सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट cos रे वैल्यू सब बड़े कौन नेगेटिव है, सेपर 9 minus sin theta, सेपर tan it is also going to be minus. These are, and you need to find all this value. Okay, now you remember this formula also that I have given. Okay, these are the uh, this is the quadrant. In this quadrant we are trying to find all these formulas. Now you go for sine a plus b. What is sine a plus b? Sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. This is sine a plus b. Similarly, sine a minus b means sine a into cos b. Here it is plus, it is plus 3, it is minus 7. The minus cos a into sine b. Similarly, cos a plus b means cos a into cos b minus sine a into sine b. Cos a minus b is cos a into cos b plus sine a into sine b. Suppose a is equal to b. तार माने जदि एंगल जदि सेम हैला a एंगल तो एटा कोन sin a plus a तो sin 2a हेबो एटा तापर जोडी b अछि टी a पका a पकेले इटी एबो तार माने sin a into cos a into sin a तार माने वर्तमान a into b is equal to b into a एटी देखो sin a into cos a into sin a तार माने they are equal, so I can flip this. So it is going to be sin a into cos a, sin a into cos a into sin a. So it is going to be 2 into sin a into cos a. So here I have derived what is sin a plus a is equal to sin a cos a sin a. तापर ए फॉर्मूला अनुसार एटा को फ्लिप कले sin a into cos a ला तो sin a cos a plus sin a cos a, that is equal to 2 into sin a cos a. So sin 2a will be 2 into sin a cos a. Hela. Similarly you can find for cos 2a. What is the cos a plus b formula? This is the cos a plus b formula. But if a is equal to b, then you can replace this, instead of b we can replace a. So cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So cos a plus a is equal to cos a into cos a minus sin a into sin a. So cos a into cos a will be a into a will be what? A square. So cos a into cos a will be cos square a. Sin into sin a means sin square a. So cos 2a formula uchi etki. Now this, from this formula we can derive many formulas. This is one of the most important formula that we need to remember. Otherwise we are going to face horrors while doing the solving the problems. Okay, now this is suppose any triangle. This is suppose any triangle, and I have given the names a, b, c, all the vertices, and these are the sides that I've given opposite to this angle a. I am giving small a, the side length is small a, and the side length small b, sine small c. But according to the sine rule, a by sine a by sine a, b by sine b, and this c by sine c will be, all the ratio will be equal. Okay, so I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to cover the next topics in the next classes. So please stay tuned. So if you have any doubt you can ask me, and if you like my video please do share and subscribe and comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you, bye.